Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install Samsung Music on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and search Samsung Music. Samsung Music and after search Samsung Music, if you want to install, click on Samsung Music and here showing you install and click on install. After install Samsung Music, app is showing on your app screen and you will see enjoy music from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Samsung Music on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.